guys, for our next video in unit statics, we're going to be talking about tension. And let's get started. So tension is referring to intermolecular forces inside any elastic substances. And this could be a rope, a chain, a cable, a string, and since they are elastic, they can only pull and they can never push. You can imagine if you try to push with a rope, it just bends and it just loses its quality, it's flimsy. And tension is what keeps the integrity of the system. What this means is it holds things in place. And a tip to share when you're drawing free body diagrams with tension is that tension always points towards the middle of the string or the rope. So it's pointing away from the object that it's